In this video, we'll be discussing some tips and tricks to help you defeat Bronya in Honkai Star Rail. So let's get started. Step number 1 is to use the 3 standard enemies to charge up the ult. So the first tip is to use the 3 standard enemies to charge up the ult. This is a great way to deal massive damage to Bronya and help you defeat her more easily. Step number 2 is to use the character that buffs fire. Next, we recommend using the character that buffs fire. This character is overpowered for this fight and can break Bronya easily. Use her to deal as much damage as possible to Bronya. Step number 3 is to use the Ice Girl for her defensive barrier. The Ice Girl is important to use for her defensive barrier. She should always have a shield on herself to protect her from Bronya's attacks. This will help you keep her alive during the fight. Step number 4. Save ultimates for when Bronya calls reinforcements. When Bronya calls reinforcements, it's important to save your ultimates for this moment. This will help you deal with the additional enemies and prevent them from overwhelming you. Step number 5. Clear side guys immediately. Finally, be sure to clear the side guys immediately. These enemies can be a distraction and can make it harder for you to focus on Bronya. Take them out quickly so that you can concentrate on defeating Bronya. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe.